Alright, I'm gonna do a bike check because I have a broken jaw and I hung this one on the wall, this hangover, because it's got bad vibes. So I got a new frame. But yeah, that was my old one, Total Hangover. Behind it is my Sunday Wave. And then I have my Premium Gutter Shark and my Colony Sweet Tooth. But this is a new one. So I have ODI grips with Colony 24/7 bars. And I have a Colony top load stem. A chrome Fiend headset. And this is my new Totalbmx Killabee Kyle Baldock's signature. I have the Totalbmx Rock and Roll Sprocket. Profile GDH light cranks, they're only 160s. I have premium slim pedals or metal. I ride the premium Chatto pegs. I have the Demolition Elite forks, and I have a Profile Elite front hub with titanium rainbow spokes to a Flybike's classic rim and a Fit FAF night vision. I ride a Demolition Market seat and an Animal seat post. In the back is a Profile Elite with titanium spokes to a Flybike's rear rim and the same tire. And so you can hear the sound. That is an Elite, and that's what it sounds like. And that would be my whole entire bike. Sorry if I talk weird, I have a broken jaw and it's wired shut, so that's why I'm not riding, and that's why this thing is still brand new. But thank you for watching.